In this video, you will learn the basic process of starting access and creating a database. This video will also explain how to create a desktop database by using a template and how to build a database from scratch.
Let us now start by opening MS Access. Here, you can see the following screen in which different Access database templates are displayed. To view all the possible databases, you can scroll down or you can also use the search box. We're going to select the blank database since we're just going to create a database from scratch. Type OJT master release as your file name and then click the create button.
Access will create a new blank database and will open up the table, which is also completely blank. If you want to create a new table, just click here the Create tab button, then click Table. Now let's go to Home tab. Click the View drop-down arrow and you'll see here the Datasheet view and the Design view. Select the Design view to enter the data that you want in your table, and then click the OK button to save your table name.
In the table, you will see here the field name, data type, and the description column. Let us now try to encode 10 different information that we want in the field name. I'm going to encode the ID number, surname, first name, middle name, course, year level, birth date, previous school and address, and the contact number of my groupmates. In the data type column, if you click the drop-down arrow here, you can see that there are other options you can choose. You must select the corresponding data of your field name, like for example, surname, first name, and the middle name are just short text, so I choose the short text data type, and long text for the previous school and address since its data is too long. Data or time for birth date because it includes dates. And below, you can see here the field properties, and if you want to change something like the format of the number in the General tab, you can customize it and make your own format.
After that, go to the datasheet view, but first, you must save the table to not lose your data. So, this is what your table looks like in the datasheet view. The field names are there at the top for each column. Now, let's try to put the information of my groupmates in their respective field name. This will take a while for each row, but anyways, you can arrange this in an ascending and descending order at the sort and filter section above because it is not arranged in alphabetical order.
After we finish all of the data, the last step is to select Save Here or press the combination key Ctrl plus Shift, and there you have it. You now have your own existing database on your device, and you may now practice doing this on your own next time.